Did you know this beautiful alpine lake in Glacier is only an hour away from Denver? First things first is parking. It does cost $20. You are parking in a private parking lot, and you can either pay with cash or with your cell phone, and there is service up here. The trail up is really rocky, pretty wide, and moderately steep, but it is short. Don't just stop at that glacier too, because there's more behind it if you keep hiking up. This is a beautiful place, but due to its proximity to Denver, it's relatively easy, short hike to get up here. It's not going to be that secluded. If you're actually looking for a secluded alpine lake, suggest looking at hikes that are in the double digits, over an hour away from Denver.